Hello, hello, hello. Okay, I am Vanessa. I am the owner. First of all, hello to my live viewers. Hello to my replay viewers. My name is Vanessa. I am the owner, creator, and formulator behind the product line Clover Hair. I am in the middle of making more of my scalp stimulating grease. It has quickly become one of the best sellers. So I will be giving this. Hello, Ms. Verena. This product will be included in a gift bag that's going at an event that I'll be vending at in February. So here's the thing. I've already measured out most of my ingredients, and I decided, hello, how are you, Ms. Verena? So I decided to come on here and just show you all a little of my process. So this is it. This won't be long. This won't be very long, but I've already measured out my oils. My oils are in here. All of the goodies. I have the avocado oil, the almond oil. Then I have I've shown you all before that I do everything in small batches. So I just poured all of this out. Measured it the appropriate amount out. And then I also had where's the neem oil? I have my neem oil, and these are all done through a sun infusion process. So it takes me a while to actually, awesome. So these actually, my oils that are, my herbs that are infused in the sun, it takes a while for them to actually be done. So I've got to make more of that. So anyway, I'm going to weigh out the last of my product in order to get this oil and everything done, and we'll go from there. So you will not be able to see me through this process, but if there's anything you all want to discuss, let me know. So what I'm going to do, oh, that is huge. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I don't want to be totally rude, so I'm just gonna tear this. I know, oh, that looks rude. That seems rude. I'm sorry, you guys. So now I'm just going to get my beeswax. I have my beeswax back here. And this is 100% organic beeswax. And I'm going to weigh that out. I'm going to weigh that out. Where is my... Thank you all for those of you who are staying with me. You know, this doesn't seem like a job to me at all, but I really enjoy having someone on here with me as I'm talking. So all I'm doing right now is I'm adding the beeswax. I use 100% organic beeswax, and I get it from a small business owner, a small, he produces what? Beeswax, he sells honey. I order it from him. You know, I believe in supporting small businesses. I myself, of course, am a small business. So, hey, why not give back? I know how it is. I know how it is. So I'm just going to weigh this out. How much do I need? Okay. Okay, I put a tad bit too much into it. And that's it. Now, for those of you who are unaware of what I'm making, I am currently making the Scalp Stimulating Hair Grease. Now, this grease, it took me quite a while to formulate this. I did a lot of research on the different herbs that I chose to use and the different properties that they would lend to those who have scalp issues. Now, what prompted me to make this was actually my mom. My mom had issues with her scalp. And you know your mama. Your mama thinks you can actually do anything. So my mama came up to me and she was like, baby, and you know they always, whenever it's baby, it's going to be something. She was like, can you help me? She was like, my scalp is bad. I can't figure out what to do. Can you help me figure out how to alleviate this scalp issue. And so I did my research, and after many trials, sorry if you all couldn't hear me, after many trials, I came up with a product that I believe in, that my customers believe in, and they have recommended this product to so many of their friends who have scalp issues. So, it has neem oil. Let me tell you about neem oil. If you suffer from like scalp issues, like any type of dermatitis, let's say an abundance of dandruff or dry scalp, neem oil is good because it acts as an antibacterial and an antifungal properties, okay? So it definitely helps with your scalp. This has licorice root in it. Licorice root also helps like to cleanse the scalp. That's one of the herbs. That's in one of the oil infusions that I have. Can you all see that? So I have licorice root in here. It also has nettle. We all know that nettle serves to strengthen your hair. It has so many goodies in here. It has rosemary leaf. I've mentioned the licorice root. It has yucca root. Look into yucca root. Yucca root is great for the hair. So I chose ingredients and herbs that I knew were beneficial. They're all organic and they're all in this this grease. Now, here's the thing. I don't even have a jar of the grease to show you all because I have sold out of it all, which is why I'm in here. Like, I'll be making maybe 3 or 4 batches of this today. But if you are interested, you can, and even if you don't want to purchase it today, just go over to Clova Hair, KHLOVA hair.com, and sign up for the mailing list. So this part that I'm going to do now, I have to focus so that I don't spill anything and so that everything will work out good. So I will end this right now, but I do thank you all for joining me today. And I will try to remember, because of my brain, I'm telling you, I'd be so busy. I would try to remember to come on and show you all the final result. So, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you all later. Goodbye.